Good morning, you guys. It's another day, another vlog, and today's an exceptionally special day, and let me tell you why today's an exceptionally special day. So you saw in the last video, I was talking about purchasing one of the Fast and the Furious cars, and today is the day we're gonna do it. Stay tuned and see which car we are getting, but I expect nothing but an epic shit show. Let me tell you why, because I don't have anything here. These cars, as you saw in the last video, are kind of one stuck in the bush in the mud. Both have no keys actually, and it's gonna be a shit show. So we need to go to Princess Auto, we gotta buy some tools. We do have a trailer we borrowed from 27 Exotics. Shout out to those boys right there. And you know what, we'll put it right there maybe up here. We'll put it right there. 24/7 Exotics, check them out. We're gonna go to Princess Auto, we're gonna do some shopping. I don't even know what we need there. And these cars have no keys because they've been sitting for 4 years and the owner doesn't know where the keys are. So we need to figure out how we're gonna get them on the trailer with the steering wheel locked. One of the tires on the green car is off the bead, so I'm not even sure how we're gonna move that. And then, I don't know if you can tell with all the water here, I'm in Edmonton right now, and they just got 4 inches of rain. So it's gonna be nothing but a muddy mess. Good thing I wore some of my favorite kicks, so we are gonna need some new shoes. All right, what do we got going on here?
Here, hop in. Let's go.
Maybe you can sit in the front with his legs hanging out. No, I just want to say we only need the essentials.
That.
Exactly.
Let's take it.
And a paddleboard.
Go.
And one of these. One of those.
Okay.
Take 2 of those.
That one.
That
right
one.
there. We're going down.
We're in the right department anyway. I just got to figure out how we're going to mount this.
Is that big enough?
So this will bolt. Yeah, it's 2,500.
What?
Okay, so we got socket sets. We got some rags. Princess Auto screwdrivers. Everything. Come along. What do you think? $100?
$4.99.
No, that's way too cheap. Way too cheap.
$300.
No, $100.
See? I had it.
All right, we got all this stuff loaded up. We are off to Leduc. We're gonna go and see, I guess, how this shit show turns out. But it's odd that I parked by that culvert and there's not a drop of water in that ditch. Oh, hey, they moved the tow truck. Yeah. Whoa. Your truck's gonna fit in between there? Well, I'm gonna move the H3 and then yeah, something like that. Oh man, we're just gonna do it. Hey, yeah, pop the hood.
Where is it?
DOHC, no shit. Once we pull it, we'll see if it's the all-wheel drive version, because the leather came in all-wheel drive, so we'll see. Yeah, see, it's got the leather. Oh yeah, the mice have been in here, eh? You see it out there? Yeah. Just a good detail, clean that out. Yeah, the mice have probably definitely been in there. Yeah, we're gonna have to move some shit. We're gonna have to get this front bumper off here so we can drag it. I wonder if it's underglow kit. It's got the light glow module in it. Off to a good start. This is the turbo model. This is the first time this hood's been open in years. Look at the timing belt, looks good. Look at the timing belt. The mortar mounts are cracked. How's the mortar mount so cracked and the timing belt's not? It's crazy. Does it have a rear diff?
What is hanging? Here, you take a better look. What is that? That's not.
I don't see a rear diff though. No, no rear diff. Grab the wing. The rear bumper, side skirts, front bumper, get the hood re-cleared, and then swap it to the other car.
Yeah, man.
I put the sub box in there because that is sick. Did you see it?
No.
It's got the old kicker square subs in it. We don't have a key, so we'll have to substitute a key with a flathead screwdriver. You put it in accessory mode.
Yeah.
And then you can pop the interlock out of it. But ooh-wee. Justin pulled out the big guns. Keep her coming, Justin. We got a 20-foot rope. That's a good tree. Huh? Oh yeah, bud. Told you it'd be a shit show.
Get inside and push the brakes.
Keep going. It's gonna go. Let's keep going. Yeah, you're good now.
You're good. Golden.
Fuck it.
We're pulling the wheel off.
We know what we're doing.
It's like walking a dog.
Okay, keep going. Yeah. Keep going. There we go. Okay. Keep rocking. Okay, whoa. I think they have to go another. Yeah, I know. Yeah, keep going. I'll pull this way. Oh, the tire's catching, that's the problem. Okay, we got a little bit
There, it's on. It's on.
A little more. Keep going. More. Keep going. One more. Yeah. No, overall, I think that went really well. Woo! There's no I in team, boys. Keep going. Whoa.
All right, guys, so we've got the cars here. Well, actually, the other one's coming on the tow truck still. It's been a long day. Let me tell you about my day yesterday. I shot 36 holes. I worked, and then I drove 6 hours to get here. And then we stayed up until 1:30, and then we got up at 5 to go deal with this for you guys. That's what we do. I think before we go too far with this, we need to get a montage of the current project and the state of it. And then hopefully by the time we get the other cars out of the building, which are over here, then the tow truck will be here. All right, the tow truck is here. You guys have to see this. It's super cool. It's so weird to see like a Fast and the Furious tribute car and a kind of car coming out of like the bush or something like that. Oh boy, this is gonna be a tight squeeze here. You can tell Jamie's been working out. He's moving things the size of a house. The tow truck's here down there. Atta boy, Jamie. Good work. What do you got there? What is that? Dunk tank?
Dunk tank for you.
Oh, nice. For me. Yeah, definitely for me. Oh, man. Hey?
Yep.
Oh, man. Just want to give a shout out to these boys. If you live in the Edmonton area, this guy at the drop of a hat brought his custom enclosed trailer and one of his tow trucks. These are who you call. Not the Ghostbusters, these guys. If you look close, it's starting to rain, which is really unfortunate. I don't want this car to get dirty. It's in pristine condition, but here it is. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, whatever you need to do, because this is going to be a cool series as we rebuild these cars, and I know you're going to enjoy it.